Hi everyone, my name is Mitch Malaluan. So today I want to talk about a place that been on my travel bucket list for a while. Now, Tingalan, Aurora, I would really love to visit this beautiful destination. Alam niyo ba, tinatawag siyang Batanes of the East kasi yung mga view sa Tingalan, view deck, parang nasa Batanes ka talaga. Rolling hills, cliffs, and the ocean view, as in breathtaking talaga. And one of the main spots I want to check out this lighthouse. You have to do a bit of hiking to get there, but the view from the top totally worth it. There's also a white beach, diba? Super ganda, which looks super peaceful talaga and relaxing. Perfect for unwind or just chilling by the sea. Isa pa, yung mga caves doon like waterfalls and boats rides that make it such a adventure destination. Simple lang siya pero relaxing, and of course yung mga food trip din nila, yun yung mga gusto kong tikman, yung mga fresh na seafood na galing talaga sa mismong local. So ayun lang guys, super excited ako dito sa plan na to. Super excited ako to plan this trip. Thank you!
Hey everyone, my name is Frenmark, and today I am taking you a virtual trip to my dream destinations in the Philippines, which is the province of Albay in Bicol region. Why I choose Albay to our dream destination in the Philippines? Because ang Albay ay isa sa may pinakamagandang lalawigan na Bicol regions. Dito ko na way back nung nag-report kami, na-assign ako sa Region 5, which is ang Bicol region. Dito ko nakilala at na-appreciate ang ganda ng Albay. It comes to destinations, marami silang destinations. Isa sa may pinagmamalaki ng Albay, which is ang kanilang Mayon Volcano, na binabalik-balikan ng mga turista. Nandyan din ang Pagsawa Ruins. Ang Pagsawa ay kilala dahil sa simbahan na lumubog noong taong 1814. At here in Pagsawa, marami silang activities na ina-offer. Nandyan ang hiking, and one of the most famous is yung ATV tours. Diyan din pwedeng matikman ang kanilang pinagmamalaking the Silly Ice Cream. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking maikling virtual tour sa aking dream destination in the Philippines. Thank you!